What's up, guys? I'm John and you're watching Johnny Fabs, and today we are working on our Datsun dash. We're trying to transform this as all the Datsun dashes, they crack. So we're going to be smoothing those out and smoothing the dash out with some Bondo and getting it ready for fiberglass and then paint. So yeah, we're going to start. Here's a look at the dash. You can see right here is cut out because of the roll cage. This was a vent. All that's gonna get filled in, and then we cut here for the roll cage also. And then you can see right here there's some cracks right here. We already got one layer of Bondo, but we're getting it smoothed out. We're gonna end up cutting these cracks open, and that way we can get some material in there before we glass it. So we're gonna start getting this thing smoothed out, sanded down, and yeah, we'll go from there. So we got our dash pretty much prepped and ready to go to start the flocking, and we just have everything black. That way if we do miss any spots with the flocking, it'll at least be black. Hopefully we cover everything, but it looks like we got everything, all the cracks repaired, and the dash is ready to go to start the flocking process. So we're getting ready to flock it, and we bought this flock it kit online, and it comes with the applicator and the glue and the flock itself. And so we're filled up this canister, and you put this top on and you shake it on. So we bought 2 of these, that way we could have 2 filled. That way once we apply the glue, we'll have it ready to get put on, and we won't have to worry about filling it back up. So we're going to get started putting the glue on. Alright guys, so we just put the glue on, and then we brushed the glue on and put the flock down with the applicators, and we just tried to hurry up and get as much glue on as we could, and then applied the flock. You want to do it in an efficient manner, that way you get everything on before that stuff tacks up. But it looks like it laid down pretty good. Looks pretty even for the most part, and good coverage all the way around. We did have a few spots where we had to add some more glue, and then we sprinkled some more on there, but I would recommend not doing the black. That way you know where your glue is and where your glue isn't. That way you have full glue coverage. Since we had that black paint underneath, it made it harder to tell where the glue was and wasn't. So make sure you do, that would be my advice. This is our first time doing it, and I think it turned out pretty good. We'll see once we let this cure. We're probably going to let it sit for the week, come back on Friday, it's Monday today, and flip it over, blow it off, and see how it turns out as far as coverage goes. But I think that's going to be it for restoring our 280ZX dash and putting the flock on it. And you guys stay tuned for more on the build. We're going to be putting custom gauges in here and installing it on our Datsun. So thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and peace.